My name is Jonatan Bautista. I'm the owner of Oro Pro Plumbing. We're located out here in Redwood City, California. Here at Oro Pro Plumbing, we offer commercial, industrial, and residential services. Some examples of those services that we provide to our customers are trenchless sewer replacement, drain cleaning, hydrojetting, camera inspection. We could offer as simple as faucet repairs, replacements, water heaters, commercial water heaters, tankless water heaters. We also do preventative maintenance and come out to ensure the working operations as instructed per the manufacturer. We also offer services for gas inspection, gas leaks, gas repairs, anything to do with plumbing. We are your go-to company you could rely on. Started Oro Pro Plumbing in 2015. It was myself and my brother. We've been able to handle service calls as the company has been growing steadily. We've been able to add technicians, add vehicles. Now where we're at, we have a shop. We've been able to expand, double the size. We have 7 vehicles. We have a team that can handle any sewer problems, any plumbing issues that come and arise. And you can see we have a fully stocked shop to handle emergency calls whenever the time is needed. We had a client reach out to us after getting multiple opinions from other competitors. We were able to walk them through, make them feel comfortable, provide them options, and be able to provide a service that they were looking for and a long-lasting sewer replacement that we did for them, knowing that they have that peace of mind with the warranty and the guarantee that comes behind any service call or project that we handle for them. We expect our technicians to be top-notch. One thing we do to ensure their confidence in knowing that they're knowledgeable of anything they can handle out in the field, we have a personalized training room here. We have sinks, tubs, faucets, water heaters, commercial toilets. We mock up things so they could dismantle and install so they could get their practice here. We're also members of the PHCC, which also offers various trainings, and we bring in vendors and distributors to give us knowledge of their product so that we know what we're installing and we could educate our customers. Whenever any plumbing service is needed, residential, commercial, even for a small service call, we're here to help. We could depend on us 24/7. We have technicians available when the call is needed. What you could expect from us is a reliable, dependable, and honest service. And we take high quality workmanship in our products that we install and our extended warranty at no cost to our customers.